Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve QR code on Magic Tiles 3. To know how to fix or how to solve QR code on Magic Tiles 3 app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of Magic Tiles 3. After that, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you can click on storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.